It's your boy Rico, this is Absolut Drinks with Rico, and today we're going to show you one of my favorite extract shots, the Extrakt Root. Don't forget, like and subscribe. I like money. It's not monetized yet, but I want it to be. And this is a request from one of our good followers. This is going to be the simplest drink on the channel to make, I can guarantee you that. If you've ever had a pickleback before, it's exactly the same process. Don't forget, you're gonna need 2 shot glasses per person. So straight away, we're gonna take some ginger. I've already pre-sliced some little thumbnails. We're gonna garnish our glass with a little ginger little fan there. Next thing we're gonna use is some freshly squeezed ginger juice. You can go to your local market or supermarket and maybe buy your favorite ginger shot, or if you've got a juicer at home, just buy some ginger root and just get juicing your fresh ginger. You wanna pour that directly into a shot glass. Next up, the star of the show, Absolut Extrakt. A little bit lower in ABV than original Absolut vodka or any of our flavors, sitting at 35%. But this is flavored with some green cardamom and some ancient traditional Swedish traditions, which we're not allowed to talk about. It's like the kernel, you know what I mean? Secret recipes. What we're gonna do now is just add 1 whole shot. And there we go, the Extrakt Root. So what you wanna do, you take your 2 shooters and you go ginger. Extract. Whoo! Yo, that ginger juice is fiery, bruv. Wow, that's good. That will waken you up, puts hairs on your chest.